there was a point where all we did was this band, 24 hours a day. It's very typical of a young band. It's how it should be in a way, when you're first starting and you've got all that energy and all that focus for one thing. But it would be weird to apply that much energy and focus to one thing for all your life. Then it would become a bit pathological at a certain point. You want to start developing and enriching your life. Find yourself with some opportunities and wanting those opportunities, and yet the band demanded so much. And that was pressure that sort of made things really difficult at a certain point, which is why, we went away for a while.